Get everything out of the 12th generation Intel Core processors with the MSI MAG B660M MORTAR Max Wi-Fi DDR4, a great foundation for a powerful yet affordable gaming rig. This micro ATX motherboard offers 4 DDR4 slots with memory speeds of up to 4800 MHz. The powerful VRM design features 12 60 amp power stages and extended heatsink cooling. With OC engine, which is powered by an external clock generator, you can extract some extra performance even out of non-K CPUs that do not have an unlocked multiplier. The primary PCI Express slot supports the all-new PCI Express Gen 5 interface and is equipped with steel armor reinforcement to make sure this board is ready for the future of gaming graphics cards. It also features 2 PCI Express Gen 4 M.2 slots with M.2 Shield Frozr for both cooling and protection of your SSDs. On the rear I/O, which is equipped with an integrated I/O shield, you will find a wide range of the latest connectivity options, including DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1, Lightning USB 20G Type-C, 2.5 Gigabit LAN, and Intel Wi-Fi 6E. There are also plenty of headers on the motherboard itself, including front USB Type-C, as well as addressable and non-addressable RGB headers with Mystic Light support. The MSI MAG B660M MORTAR Max Wi-Fi DDR4 motherboard is of course fully compatible with Microsoft Windows 11. If you want to learn more, please check out the product page.
If you like the video, Please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.